Okay, welcome back to Resolution. Now on the Lazy Spa hot tub I've got the E02 error. Now I'm believing that is because the pump has been blocked up by a dirty filter. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the filter out, unscrew it. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. So let's have a look at this filter. Unscrew it, get the water out, just shake out. And this should be filthy. Put that there. Yeah, look at that filter. It's been on for a week. Absolutely disgusting. Look at that. I have been taking some of the hair out of this and some of the dirt, but you can see that filter. Look at that. Absolutely disgusting. So the filter's done its job. It's kept the pump from getting clogged up. So we're going to take this one off. Yeah, it's in need of a bit of a change. So we have our spare filter here, nice and clean. We'll submerge it, just get it a little bit wet to begin with. We'll pop that on, put the screw back in, and we will place this back on. I don't know if you can see that, but that is now on. So we've got that secure back on. Some more dirt floating around in the hot tub. Let's just get that out. Yeah, lovely. It's probably from the old filter because that is pretty dirty. So we'll pop that there and I'll show you what I'll do with that in a second. So what we need to do now is stop this from beeping E02. So we're going to trip the trip inside the house just to reset it, because if we press this, absolutely nothing happens. I've gone through all these settings, press the unlock button, nothing works. It's completely faulted, and even by pressing the reset button down here, as you can hear, it is still beeping away. So the beep and the reset is not working. So right, so I've pressed the test button on the plug. So as you can see, the E02 error code has now vanished. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click my fingers and the power is going to come back on. So here we go, click, and power's back on. So the machine's now going through a reset with a new filter, and I can see 36 showing on there. Let's press the power on button. We've got power again, so we'll press the pump button. And there we go, the pump is now pumping again as per normal. So all it needs is, once the E02 error comes up, just press the reset button or the test button on the isolator switch, or just unplug it. It'll kill the power, it'll reset the machine, press your reset button, and it will all come back to life again. And it should all work. We got the heat element going on, and we'll press the bubbles. And the bubbles come back on. Perfect. So the filter just became dirty and needs a good clean. Right, so we've got a dirty filter, absolutely caked in crap. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cheat. We're going to pop it in the washing machine. It's probably better if you've got a couple to do this with, rather than just doing it. Start by filling up a tube of washing liquid. We'll pop that in just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to put it on an Eco Wash. I'm going to go for 40 degrees, press start, and see how it gets on. We'll come back in an hour and 14 minutes, but for you guys it'll be a few moments, and we will see the condition of the filter. Alright, so we're an hour and a bit later. Let's see what the state of this is. That looks, to me, to be pretty good. It's not going to be brand new. At the end of the day, it's just been washed. However, there's no hair in it. There's no dirt in it. This is all just stained. So you can see it's not showing dirt. So yeah, if you want to renew your filters, pop them in the washing machine, give them a good old wash, and whack it back in your filter, in your pool or your hot tub, and try and use it for another couple of weeks or a month. See how you get on. Thanks for watching Rev Solutions. Give me a big thumbs up and stick around for more videos from the Lazy Spa series.